Welcome to today's cooking show, and for you today we have blackened lemon pepper salmon. And it's real easy to do. All right, as you can see here in a pan, I have a little bit of olive oil, and I'm frying up my salmon, and I'm going to add some salt, and of course some lemon pepper. Now, I mainly cook my salmon most of the time on the skin. And basically, this is the seasoning for our salmon. And yeah, you want to go to whatever doneness you wish your salmon to be. Okay, the salmon is nearly done. Again, kind of treat salmon a little bit like a steak, a little bit higher temperatures. Don't treat it as a steak, obviously. Don't go that insanely high. But when it is nearly done to your liking, we got one last thing to do. And that's to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. And let that melt up. Then you just want to baste the salmon with the butter. And when you pull it out, let the salmon rest for about 30 seconds. And after you've let this rest 30 seconds to a minute, you just want to pour all that, all those kind of pan drippings and butter sauce all over this salmon. And that's really it. Serve it with a side of lemons. So that's blackened lemon pepper salmon. Done.